Hello dear students, welcome back to Heady Hunt Online Teaching for Mathematics. At the section today we are going to discuss about real numbers, which is a part of 9th class mathematics. Have a look at matrix match type, just like that. So column 1 and column 2 match the columns. But in that statement what I am given, so clearly we need to understand question contains statements given in two columns, just like that, two columns, column 1 and column 2. Two columns which have to be matched. The statement in column 1 are labeled ABCD. So column 1 arranged in ABCD and column 2 arranged in PQRS. Okay, PQRS. So any given statement in column 1 can be correct matching with one or more statements. One or more statement. This is very valid point in that statement. One or more answers can be obtained. So column 1, statement in column 1 have been corrected. Column 1 can have corrected matching with one or more statements in column 2. So there is no single answer, so multiple answers are obtained. So clearly we need to notice that one or more statements in column 2. The appropriate bubbles corresponding to the answers to these equation have to be darked, as illustrated in the following example, just like that. So one or more options are obtained. So clearly we need to notice that. So have a look at the question number 21. Match the column 1 ABCD. So in A integer, A, B 0, in C natural numbers, in D sum of rational and irrational numbers given. Column 2 imaginary number P. So Q indicates irrational number, R indicates whole number, S indicates rational number. But here what I am given, so one or more options are possible. One or more answers are correct answers. So clearly we need to notice that. So integers. So integer means what? So set of all positive and all negative including 0. So integer nothing but Z. So it can be denoted as Z, integer. Z, it can be represented as 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Left side minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and so on. So this is an integer. Am I clear? So integers are in column 2. We will already given that the appropriate bubbles corresponding to the answer these questions have to be darkened as illustrated in the following example. So integers are imaginary numbers. So what is imaginary number? So imaginary number means, for example, minus 5i. So what is the square of the 5i? The square value is 5i whole square. So square of that number equals to 5i whole square. So nothing but 25i square. So I square equals to 1. I square equals to minus 1. It is not a plus 1, minus 1. So therefore 25 into minus 1. Nothing but, so square of the 5i value minus 25. Am I clear? So I square is a minus 1. That is an imaginary number. So integers are not imaginary numbers. So which number? Irrational, whole numbers, rational numbers given. So integers are, so it is not a irrational number. Irrational means what? It is a non-terminating and non-repeating numbers. So integers are whole numbers. Yes, integers are whole numbers. So integers are whole numbers. Am I clear? And as well as integers are rational numbers also. So these two options are satisfy that condition. Integer nothing but every integer number is a whole number. So whole number nothing but 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. So in that integers 0 to set of all positive integers are whole numbers. So integers are whole numbers. Again rational numbers, all numbers including a rational number means what? It can be represented as P by Q. So rational means a number which is expressed by P by Q form. So 2, 3 can be written as 2 by 1, 3 by 1. So minus 2 by 1, minus 3 by 1. So it is a P by Q. So every integer is a whole number as well as rational numbers. So integers are not a imaginary numbers. So neither imaginary numbers nor irrational numbers. So integers are whole numbers as well as rational numbers. Am I clear? So next 0. So 0, here 0 nothing but what? So 0 is not a imaginary number. So 0 is not a irrational number. So 0 is a whole number. 0 is a whole number. Am I clear? 0 is a whole number because in that whole number means what? It can be represented as so 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Set of all positive integers including with 0. So 0 is a whole number. Am I clear? 0 is a whole number. Okay. So this one is satisfied. As well as 0 is a rational number. So 0 is a rational number. So 0 also rational number. S also satisfied. So 0 is a whole number as well as a rational number. So 0 is neither imaginary number nor irrational number. Irrational number nothing but it is a non-terminating and a non-repeating. Am I clear? So 0 is a whole number as well as rational number. Next C, option what I am given, column C, natural number. So natural numbers not a imaginary number and not a irrational number. So natural numbers neither imaginary number nor irrational numbers. So natural numbers are whole numbers. So clearly in that whole numbers, so except 0, whole numbers means what? Clearly we need to observe. So whole numbers nothing but it can be represented as W, 0 and set of all positive integers. That is called whole numbers, but excluding 0, remaining all are positive integers. That is called natural numbers. So natural numbers satisfy the whole number theory. Okay, so clearly we need to understand. So natural number is a whole number and a rational. Every natural number is a rational number. So one or more options are possible. So already given one or more. So statements are possible in column 1 and column 2 corresponding correct matching with one or more statements in column 2. So that condition has given. So clearly we need to, so it will be taken as a arrow marks, nothing but bubbling. So natural numbers are whole numbers as well as rational numbers because so each number it can be expressed as P by Q form, nothing but rational. Again, so in D what I am given, sum of a rational number and irrational number is what? So sum of a rational number and irrational number. So clearly we need to observe sum of rational number and irrational number. So in D what I am given, sum of rational. What I am given, rational and irrational. So rational number and irrational number. For example, irrational number. What is irrational number? Root 2 is a irrational number. Rational number nothing but 2. So it is a rational plus root 2 is a irrational number because rational means it is a form of P by Q. 2 can be written 2 by 1 also. So 2 by 1 also. 2 by 1 nothing but 2. Am I clear? This is a rational number. So what I am given, sum of rational and irrational number. So what is value? 2 plus root 2 equals 2 plus root 2 also irrational number. So 2 plus root 2. So one is a rational number, another one is a irrational number. What is the sum of rational and irrational number? 2 root 2. It is a irrational number. 2 plus root 2 also irrational number. So sum of rational and irrational number satisfy which condition? Irrational. So option D is a irrational. Okay, na? Sum of a rational and irrational number is a irrational. So here imaginary number is different, so just like that. So no one follows imaginary number. So this type of matching is important in that matching column. Am I clear? So what I am given, integers are whole numbers and rational numbers. 0 is the whole number as well as rational number. Natural numbers is a whole number and rational numbers. Sum of a rational number and irrational number is a irrational number. So already explained in my first class that particular table. So real numbers table. So real numbers are two types, rational and irrational, just like that. Okay, so everything will be explained. So everything actually in that conditions clearly we need to observe. So already explained that concept of rational number. So especially in column 1 and column 2 it is asking from that table. So real number table. Am I clear? So let's go to question number 22. Match the column. So here one or more options are possible. So in column 1 A, B, C, D given. In column 2 P, Q, R is given. So first one A 1 by 2 plus root 3. B 64 whole power 1 by 2. C 16 whole power 3 by 4. D 7 power 1 by 2 into 8 power 1 by 2. So in that column 2 P irrational, Q 56 whole power 1 by 2, R 8, S 2 minus root 3. So first A what I am given in column 1. So A value 1 by, so A value what I am given 1 by 2 plus root 3. 2 plus root 3. Am I clear? So rationalize to the denominator, because this is an irrational number. Rationalize to the denominator, it can be written as 2 minus root 3 into 2 minus root 3. Both sides multiplied by 2 minus root 3. So clearly we need to understand 1 into 2 minus root 3, 2 minus root 3 by, so 2 plus root 3, 2 minus root 3. This is the form of a plus b into a minus b. What is the formula? A square minus b square. A value 2, b value root 3 whole square. So it can be written as 2 minus root 3 by, so this is a 4, square root cancel. So this is minus 3. So 2 minus root 3 by 1, nothing but this is 2 minus root 3. So 2 minus root 3 is the irrational also, because so root 3 is non-terminating and non-repeating value. So 2 minus root 3 also irrational number. So which one is satisfy the condition? 1 by 2 plus root 3 value is 1 by 2 plus root 3 value is 2 minus root 3, and as well as satisfy the irrational property. So two conditions are satisfied. Okay, so 1 plus 2 root 3, it can be written as 2 minus root 3. Yes, okay, 2 minus root 3, and 2 minus root 3 is a irrational number. So 1 plus 1 by 2 plus root 3, so which condition as follow? Irrational property and 2 minus root 3. So next one B. So 64 whole power 1 by 2. 64 whole power 1 by 2 given. So 64 whole power 1 by 2. So power value what I am given? 1 by 2, nothing but it is a square root of 64. So it can be written as actually 8 square, because so it can be written square root of 64. 1 by 2, nothing but square root. What is the value? Plus or minus 8. Or it can be written as 8 square whole power 1 by 2. 64 is a 8 square value 1 by 2. So a power m whole power n, a power m into n. So 2 cancel, so equals to 8. 64 value 8. Okay, 64 whole power 1 by 2 value. 64 whole power 1 by 2 value 8. So 8. Am I clear? 8. And so it is not a irrational number. 56 whole power 1 by 2. So not possible. 56 is not a perfect square. So 64 whole power 1 by 2 value 8. So C, column C, what I am given? 16 whole power 3 by 4. 16 whole power 3 by 4. 3 by 4 given. So it can be written as 16 power 3 by 4. So 16 can be written 2 power 4. 2 power 4 value 16 whole power 3 by 4. So it can be written a power m whole power n, a power m into n. Especially it will be written based on that power value 3 by 4, nothing but in that fraction denominator what I am given 4. So 16 also it can be expressed power 4, nothing but 2 power 4. So a power m whole power n, a power m into n. So 4 into 3 by 4, 4 to 4 cancel, 2 cube. What is the 2 cube value? 8. So 16 power 3 by 4 value 8. So it is also satisfy the R condition. Okay, na? So it is also satisfy that 16 whole power 3 by 4 equals to 8. So last one in D, what I am given? 7 power 1 by 2 into 8 power 1 by 2. So what I am given? D, 7 power 1 by 2 into 8 power 1 by 2. Am I clear? 7 power 1 by 2 into 8 power 1 by 2. So clearly we need to notice that. So it can be written 7 into 8 whole power 1 by 2. 7 into 8 whole power 1 by 2, because a power root a into root b. It can be written as root over ab. Root over ab. So 7 power 1 by 2 means that is a root 7. 8 power 1 by 2 nothing but root 8. So root a into b can be written root ab, just like that. So it can be written as 7 into 8, 56 whole power 1 by 2. So it is equal 7 power 1 by 2 into 8 power 1 by 2. It is equals to 56 whole power 1 by 2. So 56 whole power 1 by 2. So which condition is satisfied? Q condition. So it is matching with 56 whole power 1 by 2. So this is a required answer. Am I clear? But here what I am getting? Single answers. Am I clear? So let's go to question number 23. Match the column 1 and column 2. One or more options are possible. One or more conditions are satisfied. So in option A, what I am given, so this is column A condition, especially in A, what I am given 3 power minus 6 by 7 into 4 power minus 3 by 7 into 9 power 3 by 7 into 2 power 6 by 7 whole by 2 square plus 2 power 0 plus 2 power minus 2. So clearly we need to understand what is the value of the expression. So what I am given here, so you can solve the A expressions. So in A, three power minus 6 by 7 into 4 power minus 3 by 7, 4 power minus 3 by 7 into 9 power 3 by 7, 9 power 3 by 7 into 2 power 6 by 7, 2 power 6 by 7 whole by 2 square plus 2 power 0 again plus 2 power minus 2 given, 2 power minus 2. Am I clear? So 3 power minus 6 by 7, 4 power minus 3 by 7, 9 power 3 by 7 into 2 power 6 by 7 whole by 2 square plus 2 power 0 plus 2 power minus 2. So clearly we need to observe. So it can be written as 3 power. So 3 power minus 6 by 7, okay, right. Into 4 can be written 2 square whole power minus 3 by 7 into 9 can be written 9 power 3 by 7 base value 9 can be written 3 square whole power 3 by 7 into it can be written 2 power 6 by 7 whole by 2 square value 4, 2 power 0 value 1. So 2 power minus 2 it is 1 by 4. 2 power minus 2 nothing but 1 by it can be written. So a power minus n can be written 1 by a power n. So 2 power minus 2 can be written 1 by 2 square, nothing but 4. So again it can be written as 3 power minus 6 by 7 into 3 times, base 3 times 3 power minus 7. But here a power m whole power n, a power m whole power n can be written as a power m into n. So nothing but 3 square whole power 3 by 7 can be written 3 power 6 by 7, 6 by 7. Am I clear? 6 by 7. So 3 power 6 by 7 into, so base 2 times, 2 power 6 by 7 given, but it can be written a power m whole power n, 2 power 2 into minus 3 by 7, minus 6 by 7, minus 6 by 7 into 2 power 6 by 7 whole by 4 plus 1, 5 plus 1 by 4. This is a 4 plus 1, 5 plus 1 by 4. Am I clear? So, yes. So, clearly we need to observe a power m. What is the next formula? By using a power m into a power n, a power m plus n, m plus 1. So, clearly it can be written 3 power minus 6 by 7 plus 6 by 7, nothing but 3 power 0. So bases are a power m into a power n. 3 is a base, m n minus 6 by 7 plus 6 by 7 into here 2 power minus 6 by 7 plus 6 by 7 whole by, so 4 5 is a 20 plus 1, 20 1 by 4. So clearly, so it can be written as 3 power 0 minus 6 by 7, 6 by 7 cancel, okay na? Minus plus cancel, here also minus cancel. What I am getting? 3 power 0 into 2 power 0 by 3 power 0 into 2 power 0 by 5 plus 1 by 4, nothing but 21 by 4. 21 by 4. So it can be written 3 power 0, 1 into 1. So 1, nothing but 1 by 21 by 4. It can be written 1 by 21 by 4 can be written according to reciprocal 4 by 21. So what is the value? 4 by 21. 4 by 21, yes. Here given. So A is matching with Q. Okay. So what is the value? 4 by 21. Next B. In the B, what I am given, 32 whole power 2 by 5 into 4 power minus 1 by 2 into 8 power 1 by 3 whole by 2 power minus 2 divided by 64 whole power minus 1 by 3. So column B, what I am given, column B, 32 whole power 2 by 5. 32 whole power 2 by 5 into 4 power 1 minus 1 by 2 into 4 power minus 1 by 2 into 8 power 1 by 3. 8 power 1 by 3 whole by 2 power minus 2 divided by 2 power minus 2 divided by 64 whole power minus 1 by 3. Minus 1 by 3. So clearly we need to identify that. So firstly 32 can be written 2 power 5 because power value what I am given 2 by 5. So in that denominator, especially power value denominator 5, so it is also expressed power 5, nothing but it can be written as 2 power 5. 2 power 5 whole power 2 by 5 into, so actually 4 can be written 2 square. 2 square whole power minus 1 by 2 into 8 can be written 2 cube whole power 1 by 3 whole by 2 power minus 2 can be written 1 by 4. A power, according to formula, a power minus n can be written 1 by a power n, nothing but 1 by 2 square, nothing but 4 divided by, so 64 can be written 4 cube whole power minus 1 by 3. Yes, here 5 cancel, a power m whole power n, a power m into n, 5 cancel, 2 square left, 2 square value 4 into, am I clear? So here 5 cancel, here 2 cancel, here 3 cancel. So which one is left? So here 2 square value, nothing but 4, here 2 power minus 1. So 2 power minus 1. So you can write directly 2 power minus 1 into, here 2, only 2 left whole by, it can be written 1 by 4. So this is 1 by 4 divided by, so here 3 also cancel, a power m whole power n, a power m whole power n. So which one is left? So which one is left? 4 power minus 1, nothing but 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 cancel. So what you are getting? 4 into 2 inverse, nothing but 1 by 2 into 2 only left. 1 by 4 cancel because 1 by 4 divided by 1 by 4 will get 1. So in denominator don't write it 1. So 2 also cancel. What is answer? It is equals to 4. So B is equals to 4. So B is equals to 4. So B is matching with R, 4. Okay. So next one, C. In that C, what I am given, 5 power 2 into x plus 6 into 25 whole power minus 7 plus 2x by 125 whole power 2x. 5 power 2 into x plus 6. C column, 5 power 2 into x plus 6. Okay. 5 power 2 into x plus 6 into 25 whole power minus 7 plus 2x into 25 whole power minus 7 plus 2x whole by 124 whole power 2x. Okay. So first one, 5 power 2 into x plus 6 into 25 whole power minus 7 plus 2x. 25 whole power minus 7 plus 2x whole by 125 whole power 2x. So simplify that equation. It will be written as it can be written 5 power 2 into x 2x plus 2 into 6 12 into it can be written 5 square whole power minus 7 plus 2x whole by, so 125 whole power 25 can be written, 125 is a 5 cube value whole power 2x. So therefore it can be written 5 power 2x plus 12 into, so a power m whole power n, a power m into n. So it can be written 5 power 2 into minus 7 minus 14 plus 2 into 2 4x whole by, it can be written 5 power a power m whole power n, nothing but mn, nothing but 6x, 3 into 2x 6x, and it can be written as So again it can be expressed as a power m into a power n, a power m plus n. So 5 is the base, 2x plus 12, 2x plus 12 5 power 2x plus 12. So a power m into a power n, a power m plus n, nothing but minus 14 plus 4x whole by, it can be written 5 power 6x. So 5 power 2x plus 4x 6x minus 2, because 12 plus 12 minus 4 value minus 2 whole by 5 power 6x. A power m by a power n, a power m minus n. So what is a value? 5. So what is the power value? 6x minus 2 minus 6x according to a power m by whole by a power n, a power m minus n, m minus n. So 6x minus 6x cancel, we will get, so 5 power minus 2, nothing but 1 by 25. So a power minus n can be written a power 1 by a power minus n can be written 1 by a power n, nothing but 1 by 5 square, nothing but 25. So C is equals to 1 by 25. So 1 by 25. So C is matched with S. Okay. So C matched with S. So what is last one? D, 7 power 2n plus 3 minus 49 whole power n plus 2 whole by, so 343 whole power n plus 1, again power 2 by 3 given. So first one 7 powers 2n plus 3. So in D what I am given? Seven power 2n plus 3 minus 49 whole power n plus 2, n plus 2 whole by 343 whole power n plus 1, 343 whole by n plus 1, again also given power 2 by 3. Am I clear? 7 power 2n plus 3 minus 49 whole power n plus 2 whole power 343 whole power n plus 1 whole power 2 by 3 given. So it can be simplified. So 7 is a prime number. Okay, you can directly written first equation, 7 power 2n plus 3 minus 49 is a 7 square value. Okay, 7 square whole power n plus 2 by, so actually this is a 343 is a 7 cube value, 7 cube whole power n plus 1, again whole power 2 by 3. Okay, it can be written as, so a power 7 power 2n plus 3 minus a power m whole power n, a power m into n, 2 into n, 2n plus 2 into 2 4, 2 into 2 4 whole by, so it can be written 7 power 3n, a power m whole power n, a power m into n, 3n plus 3 whole power 2 by 3. So it can be written, so 7 power 2n plus 3, here 7 power 2n plus 4. So 7 power 2n plus 3 can be written 7 power 2n into 7 cube according to a power m into a power n, a power m plus n. So a power m plus n can be written a power m into a power n minus right side term also. It can be written 7 power 2n into 7 power 4. 7 power 2n into 7 power 4 whole by, so a power m whole power n, a power m into n, that means, so clearly we need to understand, so it can be written, so 3 common, as actually 3n plus 3, 3 common, it can be written n plus 1, n plus 1. So 7 power 3n plus 3 can be written 3 into n plus 1 whole power nothing but 2 into 3, it can be written 2 into 3 directly. So here 3 cancel, a power m whole power n, a power m into n. So here 3 cancel, okay, 3 cancel. So what I am getting next step, so 2 powers 7 power 2n as taken as a common, so it is 7 cube minus 7 power 4 whole by 7 cube minus 7 power 4, and in that case 7 cube also taken as a common. Am I clear? 2 power n, again 7 cube, So taken as a common, 1 minus, it can be written 7 only, whole by, so it can be written 7 power 2n plus 2. 2n plus 2. Am I clear? 2n plus 2. n into 2 plus 1 into 2. So therefore it can be written as 7 power 2n into 7 cube into 1 minus 7, nothing but minus 6 whole by. So it can be written a power m plus n can be written a power m into a power n. So 7 power 2n into 7 square. So 7 power 2n, 7 power 2n cancel. 7 square cancel. Which one is left? So which term is left? 7 into minus 6 left. So it is equals to minus 42. Am I clear? So option column D, it is match with P, minus 42. Am I clear? So here at last step, 7 cube, 7 square. 7 square cancel, only 7 left, into minus 6, minus 42. So it is a correct matching. Column A matched with Q, and column B matched with R, and column C matched with S, and column D matched with P. So only one result is obtained. Am I clear? So rest of the questions I will discuss you later. Thank you for watching the video.